snoring.
Just a little.
Those red cheeks. He's hot. He's snoring because he can't breathe. Well, there we go. You think he's ready for his bath?
He's not gonna like it.